All right, mathematicians. So today what we are going to do is we are going to review how to find a missing side length when we know the perimeter. All right, so let's read our problem. Oh, let me focus this so it doesn't keep going in and out. There we go. All right, find the missing side if the perimeter is 28 inches. So we know that our length is 8 inches and we don't know our width. So that's what we're going to have to find. When I see that word perimeter, the first thing I should think about is perimeters all around, perimeters all around. Oh, oh, don't you know perimeters all around. You add up all the sides, you add up all the sides. Oh, oh, don't you know you add up all the sides. So the first thing I'm going to do is write my formula for perimeter. P equals length plus width plus width. All right, so now that I have that, I can take the information that's given in the problem and substitute and show what each value is. So I know my perimeter. The perimeter is 28. So right underneath the P, I'm going to write 28. And then my length, this side is 8, which means that this side is also 8 inches. Because I know a rectangle, the parallel sides are the same length. So I'm going to put 8 here for this length as well. Although I don't know width, so I'm just going to put W plus W. All right, so now that I'm looking at my equation now, I can first add 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. So I know that this side plus this side is 16. So I have that all together. So what I need to do is to take my total perimeter, and I need to still find this missing side. So one thing I'm going to stop and think about is, all right, if I have something that is missing, if I think about my part whole, I know the total is going to be 28. One part is 8, one part is 8. This is W, this is W. So I know when I need to find a missing side or a missing part that I need to subtract. So I'm going to take 28 and subtract 16. Starting in my ones place, 8 minus 6 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So what this means is that on this side and this side together is going to equal 12. All right, this plus this is 12, and they need to equal the same thing. So one strategy I could use is actually split up that 12 and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, what I just did, if I'm sharing it between the two sides, is dividing. So if I was to do this without the representation and in my model, I would do 12 divided by 2, because I have two groups, which equals 6. So in conclusion, my width equals 6 inches. Do not forget our label. All right, so just to review, first thing was to set up our formula and plug in the numbers. Then we added the two sides together and we got 16. Then we took away the 16, the known sides, from the total and got 12, and the very last step was to divide by 2. I could then check my answers and add up all the sides to make sure that I get 28. All right, so if I want to check my answers down here, my check, I'm going to add 8 plus 8 plus 6 plus 6. 8 plus 8 is 16. 6 plus 6 is 12. 16 plus 12 equals 828. Check.